Hi guys, so this is something that we are gonna be building today. Ta-da! I mean the platform, not the box. So let's get on to it. This is not my first time, I've done this before I started my YouTube channel. So it's gonna be pretty fast. We are gonna be using two sliding rails, some door sill, particle board, a piece of wire and some tools, and it's pretty straightforward when you've done everything right. I mean the size of the particle board, because when I did it the first time it was too large for me and I ended up hitting the wall. So leave some space at the both ends. Alright, then comes the sill. So it goes like this. You need to use pretty big one so it goes nice and round, not like the small one on the edge, because it won't work like that. You need to put as far as possible. So as you see it's hitting this part here, but when we finish it we'll move around it like this and won't hit it. Where's my wire? Oh, so then comes the wire into the hole and it goes like this. Then you need the tape to cover it, so when the board is moving inside and out, it doesn't get, well, this part here of the wire, it doesn't get stuck behind the, this edge here. So we just cover it with tape. I've also taken pretty long wire so it doesn't go over the edge, it will, well, part of it will always stay at this side of the edge. Okay, so let's flip it over and put it where you want it. So as you can see, I have a little bit of space over here and over there. And you should too. I will show you why. Right. Getting stuck somewhere. Okay, so if you don't leave this space over here, it won't be coming out, because when you close the door there is no gap between them. So if you leave a little bit of space, when as you can see, when it's opening up, it's going almost at the door over here. So for it to work, you need to leave some space. And here's my final screw. And it goes in the door. Over here. You can also screw it in first and then bend over the wire. Right, so it's working. And as you can see, since we made the wire a bit taller than needed, it's going under the rail when it comes to it. Of course, you can use other methods as well, but it works. And one more thing, when you use it, put your trash can so it's against the door and there is no gap between them. So when you open it, it comes out as far as possible. So you win that extra space over here. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe for more content from me. Till next time.